Okay, today is Friday and we have taken off for our RCI last minute exchange. We're heading down to Panama City, Ocean Beach Tower, which I'll show you. We started today and we're showing you the Welcome to Florida sign on our road trip down as we take you with you on our RCI vacation. Okay, we're arriving at the beginning of our vacation, Ocean Towers.
Over here, I want to give the
Keep you posted.
There you go.
Okay, here we are, Ocean Tower Beach Club. We just got checked in. It's 3 o'clock on Friday. If you can see the view through, and our nice, come on, say hello.
Hello.
A lot of backlight on you. Right.
Vacation begins. We're excited. We got our stuff. We're gonna go check in. Let's go check out our place. All right.
Oh no, no.
All right. Listen, I just want to tell you guys really quick. We're checking in. They've got tons of dumbwaiters completely ready and available. We backed up. This elevator is going to go up to our unit, and here, as I walk through, is our beach. They've got a fantastic setup here of easeability to get your stuff out of the van and into the elevator. And let's go see our unit.
Here we go. It's recording.
No, okay, just a second.
Go.
Okay, here we go. We've got our stuff. We haven't been inside yet. And this is going to be our first see at Unit 303.
By the way, while they're doing that, this is the view from our back door.
Ooh, it's nice and cool in here. Let's go see what we got, shall we?
Cool kitchen.
Come on in.
Oh gosh. Mr. Rogers, come on in.
It's in the kitchen.
Here we go.
Oh, there's a bathroom there.
Cool. Guess what? The laundry room is in the kitchen.
We got to be fair. We just got here. Let's
The
see
laundry
how...
room is in the kitchen.
Okay.
See?
Cool.
Okay. Did you just...
No.
You sure it's recording? Okay. Okay, here we go. We're going to see what kind of view we have. You ready?
It's bright light.
Cool. Across phone.
Ah, there's someone out there parasailing or whatever it's called.
Look out.
That's a small balcony.
There we go. We have a bigger balcony from our bedroom.
All right, look at that ocean, huh, girls?
Oh.
Isn't that
Let's
awesome?
go in the bedroom.
All right. So there's our view. Ocean Towers Beach Club.
Here's from the living room area. There's the kitchen area. It was a little dark before to see. So let's see. Here's the bedroom with the balcony. And here is the master bathroom.
No, it's not locked in.
Here we go. Here's our porch. There you go. There is an entrance too from the living room. Isn't that beautiful? And we got the green flag today. Yay! That means full access.
Okay. Here we are. Day one. We have made it. Friday afternoon. Just catching the end of the day. We're at end of day one. Friday, got here today. Here is the view. Just gave you just that sunset. I think you just saw the last of it right there. So this is our view for our 7,000 points and $164 exchange. And we're just going to have the best time. Ocean Beach Towers, RCI exchange. I highly recommend it. Beautiful sunset.
Daddy?
Can you? Okay. It's still Friday, and I've gone the night vision. This is the pool they have at the Ocean Beach Towers.
And there's great showers.
And there's great showers.
There's a hot tub that's really hot. By the way, look for fireworks.
Yeah, there's been some fireworks tonight. You guys
Really
looked
fun
a
watching
little
them.
possessed by demons with the night vision, but
You should watch for them. This is giving me a head.
all right. So here we are, still first night. Great pool. There's the ocean, and up there, well, basically right above the pool, they've got 5 barbecues that you can use as well for grilling at night. Here's the view from. Here's the street view from our balcony of our apartment condo. We have a putt-putt course, as you can see. Okay, Friday day 1 complete, and more to come. Have a nice night. Good morning. Today is Saturday, 2nd day, and as you can see, it is another green flag day here in Panama City Beach, Florida. And we're going to go down to the beach after breakfast. Just wanted to share our view again.
There's more than one way to make a penguin puke his guts out.
Okay,
17. Just don't ever
here
ask.
goes Miss Watson for her alone time on the beach.
A nature documentary. Wait for it.
Sugar sand, and away she goes.
Hey, that looks like Uncle Nigel.
Second day of vacation. Brian and Olivia head down to the beach to set up. I'm back here trying to do the cooler thing. I think there's less algae further over, actually. Alright, we have to move down a little further since the belt of algae is smaller down there. It's a beautiful day though. I'll take the algae. Can handle that. This is how it all looks today. Calm. I can't seem to get on my sunglasses. So that's us with the colorful umbrella down there.
Okay, little footage from the ocean, still Saturday, and out here having some fun under the umbrella, swimming. And there, I guess my call has come. Just little snippets here and there. Take you along with me this week.